Today I'm planting my sweet corn and pumpkins ready for the Three Sisters method. This is where they're going to go. I just need to do a tiny bit of weeding and get them planted. The garlic should be out soon. That's weeded now. I'm just going to hurry up and get planted. I've got 5 pumpkins. I'm going to put one on each corner and maybe an extra one in the middle. So it was probably a bad idea planting chrysanthemums there, but we'll see how it goes. They're just spare ones anyway. That's where they're going to get planted. That's the sweet corn planted. It's not as good as previous years, but it's alright for a late sowing. This is how far I've planted them apart. Some really small ones. I'm not sure what will happen with that. Right, Casper, out you get them. Come on. Casper, out. Thank you. Well done for not standing on any. And this is where I'm putting the pumpkins on each corner. And then one in the middle. This is the orange pumpkin. There's a mound around it, so when I water just goes directly in. And that's it, my Three Sisters method, which is pretty much just the Two Sisters method, unless I decide to plant some peas or beans. But I've done it this way for years, always just the Two Sisters method. I try to plant beans and peas sometimes, but it never really works. So just so I know, this is an orange pumpkin, that's white, that's white, that's orange, and that one's white. Hey Casper.